Hey everyone! I spent some time going through the Funngro app in 2026, and here's my honest, no-fluff review. So basically, Funngro is built for teenagers who want to try freelancing early, think writing, basic design, and small marketing tasks. It's not a make-money-fast app, and I think that's where a lot of people get it wrong. Now, earnings are all over the place. Some users say they make around Rs 2,000 to even Rs 50,000 a month, but others report very low payouts per task and not enough consistent projects. On the positive side, it's actually a safe, structured space to build skills and a portfolio. But the downsides? Delayed approvals, limited project availability, and sometimes tasks that feel more like surveys than real freelance work. So my verdict? It's worth it if your goal is learning and experience. If you're chasing serious income, platforms like Fiverr or Upwork are still stronger options.